In Volume 2, we will further develop the two core elements of tone production introduced in Volume 1 by expanding them into new areas: harmony, dynamics, and voicing within sound imagination, and the different types of articulations within intonation and arm weight. If Volume 1 was centered on establishing a new technical foundation, one that could support all future development, then Volume 2 focuses on expanding the musical and expressive dimensions of our playing. Attentive listening to harmony, supported by sound imagination and refined intonation, shapes the quality of touch and tone at the keyboard. The imagined color and character of each harmonic event influences the impulses in your fingertips, guiding them toward a more nuanced, responsive sound. This work strengthens the musical dimension of your playing by enriching the palette of tonal shades and creating delicate expressive variations in intonation that make the performance more moving and communicative. How to identify and sense harmonic color in the score. Reduce complex passages to block chords. When you see broken chords or sequential notes outlining harmony, group them into simple chord shapes. Listen to each chord with the sustain pedal. Hold the pedal to allow the full resonance to develop. Observe the emotional color of the harmony. To orient yourself, begin with a simple descriptive word. Compare chords when you feel uncertain. Placing two harmonies side by side often clarifies their color. Keeping a short list of basic adjectives nearby can help you stay grounded and avoid overthinking, making it easier to recognize and later imagine the precise sensations associated with each harmonic quality.